In this video, we are going to look at how you can make money on YouTube. Hi, my name is David from freelancerinsights.com, where we believe you should never stop learning. In the previous video, I showed you how you can start and grow a YouTube channel, and unfortunately for some unknown reason, I heard the bad audio from my computer record into the mic instead of my mic. Please forgive me for that, but you can always check the video out, and if you need me to update it, I'll do that. Now, for this video, I want us to see the ways that people are using to make money on YouTube. Now, the most common way that people are making money on YouTube is the YouTube Partner Program, or better known as the Google AdSense program, where adverts are put on your videos that you've recorded and uploaded on YouTube. And when people watch or see the adverts, click on the adverts, you make some money. So that's how it goes. The exact amount of money that you make per 1,000 views really depends on the advertiser budget, how many people view, how long they engage on your channel. There are just a lot of things. It's not necessarily about the views, but more of how long of or how much of the content people view with the adverts. Do they leave your channel when they watch it, or do they continue watching more of your content, and such things. So basically, there are so many ways to make money on YouTube, and the most common one is the YouTube Partner Program. And last year, YouTube paid me, I think, $1,537 US for a year, where people watched my videos for about 377,000 times. So basically, it's not bad. At least it paid for my internet charges for the year. I use a lot on internet, so basically any amount that I make every month goes to the internet for the next month. So I know that it saves me on internet money. So I hope that someday it gets to a point where it's making me some good way. And how I do this is I do a video. For example, there's this video, how to permanently add, ban, or hard code subtitles to a video using or movie using Handbrake. And basically what you see here, this is an advert. And what you see here is an advert, and if the video is long enough, there'll be an advert inside here. So that's one of the ways that people make money on YouTube, and for me it's using adverts. But unfortunately, for you to get into the YouTube Partner Program, you need to have about 1,000 subscribers in a year and 4,000 hours of viewed content in 1 year. So that more or less feels like a hurdle to many people, and limits people from opening or signing up for the YouTube Partner Program, that is the Y.P.P. But I'd like to tell you that if you want to start and grow a YouTube channel that is going to be successful in the long run, don't look at the money that is coming from the YouTube Partner Program. There are other ways that you can make money even when you don't have 1,000 subscribers, even when you don't get to the hours that you're reaching. Because what you're trying to do with your YouTube channel is that you're trying to create content that people will be impacted. Maybe you want to solve somebody's problem. For example, I'm solving a problem of somebody who wants to ban in or permanently add subtitles to a video or a movie. So I'm solving a problem, and that video will end up maybe being watched. For example, right now it's from September 2019. It only has 508 views. I don't have a worry with that, because I know somebody somewhere along the road will be looking for this type of content, and hopefully they'll just land on my video as I tweak and optimize the video with time. So don't worry about the YouTube Partner Program. First of all, just keep putting out content and being consistent, and that is one thing that I've not been consistent on this channel, but I'm hoping that I'll be able to be as consistent as I should be and put out as much content as I can. So the number one way to make money on YouTube is the Y.P.P, the YouTube Partner Program, where people are paid via Google AdSense, and you can get your money via Western Union, bank, or a check in the mail. I prefer the Western Union way to receive my payment from Google AdSense. Number two, let's talk about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is probably what many people do on YouTube. So especially the big guys that review tech, gear, almost anything that can be reviewed and has an affiliate, people make some good money. And you can see this from people who review cameras. For example, if you look at a guy like Peter McKinnon, he reviews a lot of gear. So what does he do? What's in my camera bag 2020? That's the kind of video he's put out. It's been viewed 370,000 times, 803. Now this person is making a video of what he's using at the moment. For example, if I made a review of the microphone that I'm using right now and the preamp that I'm using, probably somebody somewhere would like to purchase this kind of combination, and probably I'll do a video like that along the way, and maybe apply for the Amazon Associates program. So most of these people review items or gadgets that are on Amazon. So basically, when you look at this, you'll see all items I include find link below. These are affiliate links. So he clearly puts in the disclaimer that this is an affiliate link, and basically what happens is that you're not charged any extra cost when you purchase an item that is an affiliate link. It's just that you'll get it with the most updated pricing, or maybe when there's an offer, or just this person linking to the particular item that they purchase. For example, if you look at this is a Canon EOS R. That's his main camera. So if you click on it, I want to show you what like the affiliate link looks like. It looks like a normal Amazon link, but there's a tag here. If you look at this tag, and if I just move towards the end, you'll see that there's a tag, Peter McKinnon -20. So basically this is to show that the link came from Peter McKinnon. Now if you buy this particular camera or any other item in a particular period, then Peter will be credited with a particular fraction of the sale, and maybe it's 3 or 4% of what this person purchased. So if maybe this is a 4%, he'll make at least some good money from that, give or take maybe $50 from the sale, and that's good money, or $50 to maybe $100. If 10 people buy in a month, that's about $500, and that's some good money on the side. So the second way we can look at is affiliate marketing. And another guy that I like checking out his videos is James Review Room. He does very good reviews for audio equipment, basically maybe earpieces, headphones, wireless and all that, and speakers. He does very good reviews, and I like the way he does it. And you can, if you're starting a YouTube channel, you can probably maybe decide to focus on some of these things, but please note that maybe you need to buy these equipments, all this, or rent. So sometimes it really depends on what your budget, if you want to be doing such reviews. If you can get the items to review, well and good for you. But basically it's a good way to make at least money, and that's affiliate marketing. And if we look at the method number 3 is selling courses and ebooks. Now basically, or just any other thing, let's say you're selling programs for people to enroll, maybe seminars, you just want to maybe market your business. Now all these are just easy ways that you can use to bring people back to you. For example, if you're selling courses, ebooks, programs, that's a good way for you to at least keep the money. And this doesn't really matter. These ways don't matter if you have these 1,000 subscribers. It doesn't really matter. But let's say you have a course, an ebook, a plugin, a preset, and for that example you can check out Peter McKinnon. He has his own presets, and if we open that link in a new tab and you want to buy his Lightroom preset, so he uses a site called Selfie, and he's selling some awesome Lightroom presets that you can use. So basically these are presets that making money. It's just you get one file, 7.3 MB, that's about $30, and this making money today, tomorrow, and you see the before and after, and you can literally just be making money if you can be doing some of these things, maybe even just selling presets and all that. And for example, for my video, I have a course on captioning. So what I've done is I have it here, and if you click on it, what happens is get my captioning course. It's hosted on Udemy, and it will load up. And basically what happens is, since I put a 40% off for the course, and all you need to do is just click on it and enroll. Now basically what I'm trying to say here is that even if you don't have the 1,000 subscribers, but you have maybe a course or something, you can link it in the description and let people know in your video that you have a captioning course. So if somebody is interested in learning more about captioning or any particular thing that you're doing, you can send them to that particular video so that they can watch it, and maybe if they're interested, they can enroll. And since this is a link from my backend, I'll get, I think, 95% of this amount. So basically, if I'm selling the course at 100, I'll probably get a better amount here. But I choose to just keep it at a good price that people will want and feel the need to purchase. But basically, what you can say is that if people like what Peter McKinnon is doing here, and like these presets, he does good photography, you can purchase $30. If he just makes about 100 sales in a month, that's $3,000. So clearly it's a good way to make money from YouTube. And basically that's method number 3, selling courses, books. You can even have an ebook, maybe going for an ebook on Amazon, an audiobook on Audible, a program, a seminar where people can click on a link to go and enroll for the seminar that you'll be hosting. Basically it's just an open field, so you don't really need the subs. So even if you're a small channel that does not have monetization enabled, you can still make some good money. And if we look at sponsored content, that's another way. That is sponsored content. Sometimes when you're a big channel, what happens is that people will give you, like let's say, a microphone to review, and you'll have to say that this is sponsored content, either putting a small tag there, and then there are also some other checkboxes inside YouTube that you can tick to say that this is sponsored content, so that if monetization is not going to be enabled for that video, because you've already been paid by the particular sponsor for that video. So that's another way that I've seen on YouTube over the few years I've been on YouTube. That's something else. And there's memberships, and although memberships is not yet available for, let's say, people in a place like Kenya, where I'm at right now, it's maybe available where you are. Memberships is a good thing that you can have for people to get curated content that is only for members. So if people maybe pay like $5 a month to access your content on the membership plan, then you can be making money on the side from the memberships. Now you have to stick to like doing content for them, because they are already your tribe, they are your community, and that's another avenue for you to make money. This is not yet available. YouTube has not yet rolled this worldwide, but hopefully they'll do that soon. And then we have super chats. Super chats are really good ways to like make money. I've seen it with a guy like MKBHD, where he's made almost over $3,000 in a live stream of about 40 minutes, where he was doing I think a Q&A, or I can't remember what it was, but for your chat to be like at the top or read out, then you pay a particular amount of money, which is called a super chat. And it's a good way to make money on YouTube. And the amount of money that you can make, depending on the number of people that follow you, is a good amount that you can just literally just do that once or twice or thrice or 4 times a month, and you're sorted. So basically, if you have the content, and once this is available, you can just be doing the super chats and making your own some good money from YouTube. Now there is also YouTube Match. Now this is still not available for, I think it's only available in America and maybe Europe, maybe Britain and all that. So we just have to wait for it. But Match is another way that you can make money from or on YouTube. For example, if you check out Peter McKinnon's channel, you'll see that he has his own match, PM Match and Coffee. And if we can check it out, and he has other things here. This is like for an affiliate link for Epidemic Sound, I think. And this is his LUTs for like the color grades. So if you check this, is that James Coffee, where James and Peter linked up and made some awesome merch. So their capes, this is coffee, pins. So basically you can just pin it up and all that. So it's just a page dedicated to Peter McKinnon because of his love for coffee, and by James. So you can buy this merch, these pins, and you see it's about $12.99. It's about $18. It's about $35. Peter McKinnon signature hat. And for example, if you like the guy, if he does good things and you like the guy, then what more can you do than just add to cart and purchase it? So if you look at some of the YouTubers, even if, let's say, they had the monetization, that is the YouTube partner program revoked, you'd see that people would still be making some good money from the content that they are doing out there, because people want to watch them, because people love their content, and then they have other ways that they're making money other than the YouTube partner program. And sometimes the YouTube partner program has a problem, especially when we have content that is posted by big YouTubers that is controversial. Advertisers tend to either reduce their budgets, run away from the platform, or just make it tough for YouTube and squeeze their arm. So we are left with a situation where if money is taken away by the advertisers, then we get less money to us creators. Now also something else that happens is that during the year, sometimes there's a fluctuation of how much people spend. For example, towards the December holiday, people tend to spend much more money than they spend during the January periods and towards August, September. But towards the holidays, September, October, November, December, then advertisers start pumping in more money. That's when you'll see adverts from almost every other person on the planet. So basically what I'm trying to say is that other than the YouTube partner program, where you can get paid money, there are other ways that you can make money on YouTube, and the YouTube partner program, affiliate marketing, selling your own courses, books, programs, seminars, sponsored content, memberships, super chats, YouTube merch, and many more. Just think outside the box and get to see what are you targeting. Now, my name is David. Thank you so much for watching, and apologies for the audio from the previous video. I hope that you've learned something from this video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, and until next time, never stop learning.